Hello, my dear students. So it is the last day before your HPCL examination, the examination for which you guys were rigorously preparing for. So with us is Dheeraj Sardana sir and Sooraj Gopi sir, who will be quickly giving you the tips and very important tips, guys, mind it, which you shouldn't miss if you're going to give the paper tomorrow. That is the HPCL paper. You guys know that it is 150 minutes paper and 170 questions will be there. So yeah, competition will be tough, time will be restrained, and the competition level is so high because obviously if the number of vacancies are high, the number of aspirants will also be high. So here with us is Dheeraj Sardana sir and Suraj Gopi sir. Sir, please tell the students, enlighten them for the very last moment, what should they do?
So, ma'am, as exam is tomorrow only, so I will not say ki now too much. You can add to whatever you have done to your preparation. Now the time is to keep calm yourself, and if you just want to revise the things you can do. Otherwise, for tomorrow's exam, what you have to take care is generally what is the problem. Like there are some questions which are going to waste your time because they may be of some kind of like numericals type, or you may be not aware of how to solve that kind of question. So whenever you are going for for the exam, like in HPCL, like ma'am have already told that the number of questions are more, time is less. So there would be majority of the question like that, which by looking at that, you would be aware of that is going to be the right answer. Okay. And so first go whenever you are going for the paper, go for those questions. And after that, only see for those questions where you have to think something. Because the point is you need not to score like 170. If you talk about mechanical and civil both, in civil, number of seats are less. So because of that, last year also cutoff was high. It was more than 140. For mechanical, cutoff was approximately near to 100. So that is why accordingly you have to plan your preparation. So if you feel like you are going more than 100, 110, 120 marks, you are able to get, no need to go for any kind of risk. If you are not aware of any of the question, you can leave it because 120, 110, if you are reaching, you have fair chance of getting to the second round. So that is why I would like to say whenever you are going for the paper, so first time go for normally, and then after that go for those questions where you are finding difficulty. And rest Surya sir will be adding something, and all the best from my side.
Bilkul, sir. Actually, one day you won't be able to complete anything new. So make sure you're not taking up any new topic, and whatever you have studied, just stick to that, because in the examination there will be lot many topics which you might be seeing for the first time. So don't get panicked. You skip that and go with the next question, because ultimately is maximum question you have to score in that less time, because time is very crucial. Accuracy and time should be managed appropriately, because if you're only concentrating on accuracy and not with the we can say correctness of the question, that will be giving you a negative impact. So make sure you maintain that balance and don't get panicked if you're in one set like 3-4 question not able to answer. Just skip that and go to the next problem. Might be after completing the paper at the last 5-10 minutes you'll be able to have a quick recap on that question where you can get the second thought. So I think time management will be playing a very vital role. And don't get panic, and make sure everyone has downloaded your admit card and reach your centers on time, because might be some places will be having rainfall or rainy season. So make sure you're reaching at least 40 minutes prior to the centers, or 1 hour prior to the center, because that will be saving your time, because last minute hurry is very, very dangerous. So let's avoid that and be on time. And I hope you will be cracking the exam very, very good. Over to ma'am. Yes.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
so
before
obviously
you say
sir have
something,
told you the
ma'am, before you
Yes.
say something, I would like to add one, two thing more. You like if you are talking about civil student also, they would be thinking, yes, their cutoff is more. But dear, you are having one positive thing that your extra syllabus part is not there much. You are majorly having the same syllabus which you have studied from GATE. So in mechanical last year, if you see 20 questions were there, from 21 questions were there from the extra edit portion. So mechanical students have that portion. Many students were saying, sir, we are weak into. So dear, you need not to bother about that portion because you need not to score 170. And for civil peoples also, you have that advantage that you don't have that kind of questions. So go in that way. Don't think negatively ki our cutoff is more and all. Okay, so take care of that thing as well. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so both the sirs have told you the important tips last moment. I'll quickly just tell you that have a proper sleep today, because of course it happens that you have that dilemma, that frightenedness, you have it. So of course it will happen, but try to have a proper sleep today. And see, whatever you study, in the end you'll think that something is remaining, but you should have that confidence, whatever you have studied, that is more than sufficient, and now you just have to give the examination. That's it. Apart from that, guys, all the questions will carry equal weightage. So the moment you see that any question is highly calculative, just skip it. Okay, don't take it in your ego that I have solved it, I'll do it, because it will consume your time, and ultimately in the end you will be able to attempt lesser number of questions. Okay, although you could have attempted more, but because you wasted time, you were not able to attempt all the questions. So keep that in mind, and on the behalf of the resultant team, we wish each and every HPCL aspirant all the very best.
Yes.
Okay, so with this note, guys, take care. As Suraj sir told you, just take out the admit card and whatever ID proof, everything, and reach the center beforehand so that you can avoid the last moment panic. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All the best.